We're going to see if the seagull likes Taco Bell. So my son Alex is going to go try feeding the bird who's right there. There it goes. Let's see if the bird... Oh, look at that. Look how quickly they came for Taco Bell. They loved it. Give it to that one. He didn't get any food, Alex. There you go, Al. Go ahead. The birds came. They are eating a burrito. We started out with one seagull. Now we have like 10. They love it, Al. Throw it out there. Oh man. These guys must be hungry, Al. Good job. It's amazing, Al. They love it. They love it, Al. Throw it out there. They love it. Oh, yeah. They love beans. All right, what do you think, Al? Do you think they liked it? They're over there fighting over it. They must like Taco Bell. What do you think? Do they like... Oh, wow, there's more. Look at that. What was that? There's a crow fighting for the food. Isn't that crazy? Crows are trying to take its food. All set, Al? Was it a success, Al? Good.